Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. Today we will discuss about the interest and equivalence in this engineering management and safety. We expect that after we completing this module, we should be able to describe the interest and its equivalence related to our engineering course. The second interest that we are very passionate, we call those as compound interest. What is compound interest? Compound interest is something that is computed on the original unpaid debt and also the unpaid interest. For example, here the calculations for our compound interest is based on, let's see, the total interest earned is based on how much present sum of money multiplied by 1 plus the I power of n number of period of years, okay, minus the present sum of money. Let's see the example there. You will see that the total interest earned at second year there is equivalent to 100 ringgit multiplied by 1 plus 9% that was offered by our financial institutions there. Power of 2 minus the 100 ringgit as our present sum of money there. We will get back our money after 2 years, adding of 18 ringgit and 81 cents. This amount of money due at the end of our loan, if we use the compound interest, is based on the example of 100 ringgit multiple by 1 plus the 9% power of 2, because we use the 2 years of time. We'll see that in the future our money is not 100 ringgit but will become 118 and 81 cents. So if we compare our compound interest to the simple interest will give you only 118 ringgit after 2 years. But if you use the compound interest, your money instead of 100 ringgit, instead of 118 ringgit, now your money will become 118 and 81 cents more than the simple interest. A comparison of simple and compound interest over time can be concluded that in a very simple example. If you loan a friend's money for a short period of time, the difference between simple and compound interest is negligible, not that much. You can see the table there. First year, second year there. If you use the simple interest for the third year, from 100 ringgit with the interest of 9% at third year, if you use the simple interest, your money instead of 100 will become 127 ringgit. If you use the compound interest at third year, instead of 127, your money will become 129 ringgit and 50 cents. Not much between the compound to the simple interest. However, if you loan a friend's money for a long period of time, the difference between the simple and compound interest may amount to considerable difference. Let's see. At year 10 there, instead of 100 ringgit, your money, if you use the simple interest there, now will become 190 ringgit. If you use the compound interest, instead of 100, your money will become 236 ringgit. So, is there any significance difference? You pick the time period. Based on loan repayment option calculator, if you have your principal of 5,000 there with 10% of interest rate, in 10 years time, you can choose either plan number 1, equal annual installment, plan number 2, end of loan payment, repay principal of number 3 by using equal annual installment, and repay principal of number 4, end of loan. All those will give you a different interest earned. Number 1 will give you a decline interest. The second, end of loan, there will give you a constant interest earned. The third one will give you a decline at increasing rates, and the number 4 there will give you a compound at increasing rate until end of loan. So you should choose wisely what is the loan repayment based on this options calculator. In summary, money can be estimated its future by simple or compound interest. Thank you.